clearing a media out error code on a ZT231 printer. A ZT231 printer will display a media out error with an on-screen message, a steady red status light, a steady red supplies light, and a steady yellow pause light. To clear a media out error, try the following steps. If media is not loaded or is loaded incorrectly, reload the media correctly. Check the media sensor position and realign if needed. If the printer is set for non-continuous media, but continuous media is loaded, either install the proper media type or change the printer setting for the correct media type. If the media is loaded correctly, the correct media type is selected, and the media sensor is in the correct position, calibrate the printer. If the media out error is not resolved, please contact Zebra Technical Support for more assistance.